leg day. It's a lot of cake, bro. That's a lot of cake, bro.
Welcome to hell. Leg day. Death or destruction.
Y'all ready for death? Or you just watching the death? Either way, you're a bitch. Stay strong, come on, brace. Good, get up.
Going for PR today?
I don't know, man. I feel good. See, I might slip a little PRC from the board. I don't know. Y'all carved up though.
What you going for? 505?
650.
650? Oh, that's something. That's easy. It's easy. We're just working up to our top sets right now. Making sure we're warmed up. Loose.
Oh shit! You see this death? This is death on death day. Double on time, dude.
We're shaking that butt.
Who's calling my shit?
Uh-oh. Oh my God. You bastard.
Fuck!
Oh.
Flip it up. Put clamps on it.
Come on, get deep, boy. Oh.
Yes. Shut the fuck up, man. I'm trying to lock in. Can't be joking over here.
Come on.
Get up! Get up!
Yes. Yes. We got our famous superset going on.
Oh yeah, come on.
Infamous and famous. What do they call this shit again? Leg press. Leg press in a sissy squats.
Bro, I called
Or hex,
I
whatever.
called this shit a chest fly, bro. And the amount of niggas on my dick. That's insane, bro.
Bro, everybody think they a fucking scientist
Bro,
nowadays.
I was like, more of the story, bro. What are the
It ain't a press, so what is it? A flock, dickhead. Oh yeah, Hawk?
I like to taste the blood and death.
Show no
It
weakness.
makes you grow as a man. Death.
Come on, 12. 12 to 15.
Come on.
Good shit, Dame. Come on. Keep fighting.
Oh, my fucking left knee, bro. That shit is on fire.
Let's go. Go. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on, Dave.
Whoa,
Fight.
whoa, stay strong. Stay
I
strong.
got you. Come on, Dave.
Control it.
Yeah, come on. Stay strong, baby. Come on. I'm with you. Let's go. Give me 3. Go.
Drive your knees out.
Go. Push. Push. Go. Come on. I got you. You one more. All you. Stand. Come on. Go. Good.
We're finishing up. Always finish leg day with calf raises. That's a full stack right there too. Yo.
Work on your ankle mobility, kids.
Come, crack. You, puppy.
He thought he had chicken legs.
Hope you guys enjoyed Death. What is this? Death Part 1010? 1010. Shut the fuck up.
This is gonna be episode 112.
How do we do it? Does that sound like it is?
Nah.
Alright.
Bro,
Bro.
can't hit a bullshit yours.
Can't rush me.
112 days of death. Have you been working out? Have you been following along?
And there's been some days we haven't recorded too, so.
Fast. So it's probably more than 112.
Yeah.
Hey, man, we just in there working, we doing our thing. Hopefully we motivating y'all to get in there and start the fitness journey or whatever it is you want to do. Hopefully we give you some motivation every day. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, roll with us.